Alright guys, welcome back to this guiding studio, and today's guide video will show you how you can fix if the Wi-Fi is not showing after the Windows 11 update on your PC or laptop. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right into the video guys. So here I have my Windows 11 laptop. So if I open up the Wi-Fi here, you'll get to see the Wi-Fi is not showing up. If you have the same problem, then it's pretty quick and easy to fix. The very first thing that you can do, you can simply go ahead and restart your computer once. You can go ahead and click on this start menu right over here and click on this power button, and you just need to restart your device in order to fix any software bugs or glitch that you have and see if that fixes your problem or not, because sometimes a simple restart can fix many software bugs and glitches from your device. Let's say you did this process but you still have the problem. Then here's the final process to fix the problem. Simply go ahead and open up the search bar from your computer and search for device manager. Here you'll get to see the device manager. Just to click on this one, and it's going to bring up another page right here with the device manager, and under this one he'll get to see the network adapters. You just need to expand this option, network adapter, and here you get the wireless network adapter driver. He'll get to see the wireless driver for me. So what you have to do is disable. You just need to right click on this one, and here you get to see the enable device. So you just need to enable this one, or if it's already enabled, you can disable it and enable it back again, and this will actually slightly restart the network driver, and most likely the problem is going to be solved. He'll get to see the problem is fixed, and I have got my Wi-Fi back right here. Let's say you did everything but you still have the problem, then the Wi-Fi driver is maybe missing from your device. In case, you just need to download the driver from the official website of your laptop brand, and you just need to install it, and most likely the problem is going to be solved. So if you find this pretty helpful guys, if you do, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.